Lesson 14.11 is solving log equations. So we're going back to our properties of logs to condense it. We have to get this isolated into a single log so that we can turn it into an exponent or do whatever we need to with change of base, something to get this solved for. So in this problem, I first see that I have this times 2. I want to move this to a power. So I'll have log base 2 of 5x, the parentheses not really necessary there, plus log base 2 of 7 squared, which is 49. Okay, then since I have addition here, I'm going to put it together with multiplication. So I'll have log with a base of 2, because that's what both logs had in common. Then I'll have 5x times 49 equals 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 times 49 to simplify this. Gets 245. So I have log base 2 of 245x is what that simplifies to make equals 3. Now I'm ready to change it into an exponent. Here's my base raised to this power. Would have to equal 245 times x. Well, 2 cubed is a number. That's 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And then all I have to do is divide by the 245. It says solve for the exact value. Let's see if that fraction is something nice or if it simplifies. I don't think so. No. So you would want to just type in 8 over 245 as your final answer. When it doesn't say round, they wanted you to keep it a fraction. All right, let's try number 2. Same exact thing other than I see subtraction here. But you want to get rid of any multiplication and make it a power. So really I'm taking 5 cubed. So I would make this log base 4 of 6x minus log base 4 of 5 cubed. 5 cubed is 125. So that is equal to 1. Now I'm going to put my two logs together with a single log base 4. Since I have subtraction, I'll have to do division of 6x over 125 equals 1. And I'm going to leave it like that and go ahead and turn it into an exponent. So my base is 4 raised to the first power has to equal 6x over 125. 4 to the first power is still 4. And then what I've created is kind of a proportion, but to me I just look at it as I've got to get rid of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply by 125. 125 doubled would be 250, and 250 doubled should be 500. And then set that equal to 6x, and then just divide by 6. So really it's all just algebra. The trickiest part is knowing when you see that log or that exponential setup, what do you do with it? And so you should get 250 over 3. For your final answer.